Now let's move to the next part or the next topic, that is the types of the solutions. On the basis of the physical state of the solute and the solvent, we are having the 9 types of the solutions. And the physical state of the solution depends upon that component of the solution which is present in the larger amount, or we can say that it depends on the solvent, as solvent is present in large amount. And the first one is a solid in solid. When a solid solute is added into the solvent which is also in solid state, then we obtain the solution which is in solid state. And the example is alloys. As you know that alloys are the homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals. So it is an example of solid in solid. Similarly, second one is a liquid in solid. A liquid solute is added into the solid, then we again obtain the solution in solid state. And the example is hydrated salt. In this, 7 molecules of water of crystallization are present. And the next one is a gas in solid. In this, a gas is the solute, and the solute is in the gaseous state and solvent in the solid state. And we obtain again the solution in the solid state. For example, dissolved gases in minerals, or we can say that the gases adsorb on the surface of the metal. And the next one is a solid in liquid. As you are familiar with this type of the solution, liquid solutions, solid or the sugar in the water. And the next one is a liquid in liquid. Next type is liquid in liquid. A liquid solute is added into a liquid solvent. As liquid solvent is larger amount, is present in the larger amount, so we obtain the solution again in the liquid state. And for example, alcohol in water. For example, alcohol in water. And soda water is also an example. Lime water is also an example of liquid in liquid. Sixth one is a gas in liquid. For example, soft drink bottles, aerated bottles, carbonated bottles. These are the examples of the gas in liquid. And these all three are examples of liquid solution, as the physical state of the solvent is liquid. And the next one is a solid in gas. Solid in gas, in this the solid particles are dissolved in the gaseous medium. For example, dust, pollen grain, or we can say that smoke in the air. And the next one is a liquid in gases. Liquid in gases. And the example is humidity in the air. Presence of water vapor in air. It is an example of liquid in gas. And the last one is a gas in gas. As you know that air is a mixture of the gases in which a fixed proportion of the gases is present in the air. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So, air is an example of gas in gas.